GoRealDeFi.com, click on farming. Let me just put that in one more time. In case you haven't seen it, you don't know GoRealDeFi, you've never heard of it, whatever. GoRealDeFi.com. Learn to earn. The middle right column on desktop. On mobile, you got to do desktop view. Otherwise, it'll just show the links to the apps and stuff. Learn to earn. Click on farming. I'm going to add this one to the playlist as well. So the ones I just did, making $800 a month yield farming. Are you making $800 a month? PulseX did that, added that there. This is a clip of the 28 minutes that I was going through the farms. So a abbreviated version of it. And then, yeah, there's just like a ton of like how to do it, onboarding, coffee, I added coffee's video, some other videos on here as well. Somi's stuff when it first came out. A lot of stuff to learn. Airdrops, farming, NFTs, projects. Look at all the projects. Learn about the founder. You click on this, it'll go through vintage RH videos, which are coming out every Thursday until June 2025. Every Thursday or more. So learn about the founder. Learn about Hex. Learn about PulseX. Learn about making money. One of my favorite series that I've did so far, making money in crypto. Really good series. Onboarding. Send this to anyone you want to onboard to PulseChain. It goes through simple ways, 2-minute videos of how to do each particular thing. Connect to MetaMask, stake, trade, use different community products too. Security. Learn about security. Learn about privacy. All these AMAs I've talked about. I went over all these concepts. Got a blog that goes into more details too. That's for security, privacy. This goes through privacy and MetaMask and how to prevent spying and what VPNs are and how proxy servers and Tor and all these different OPSEC and VPNs, all that stuff too. Stat sites. This is an aggregated collection of all the different stat sites. If you go to this page, you will find something new that you've never seen before. If it's the first time you go into it, I almost guarantee you will find some new cool thing that you've never seen before if you go here, because I've tried to pull out all the little amazing sites that cover Hex stats and all the little apps, in-state calculator and how to be a validator and backup Hex and Hex search and Telegram stuff and Hex white paper, all that stuff. And then you check out the TVL and how much amazing stuff. We're back to 500 mil on TVL and PulseChain. Number go up, amazing. How to be a validator. Got a whole list. You'll be a PulseChain validator? 77 videos. Boom. 77 videos. There's no shortage of information of how to do any of this stuff. 77 videos on how to be a validator, streams, scripts, automation, all that stuff. So you got everything you need to make it in this ecosystem. Like if you really, truly want to do it, you want to put in the time, energy, effort, capital. I think this is the place I put my time and energy. I think it's the best place I could do that. And I wish you all the maddest of gains as usual.